Hello, this is Brad Dunovitz, licensed realtor and owner of 5-Star Real Estate, serving home buyers and sellers in all 7 Metro Denver counties. Here are 5 mistakes buyers make and how to avoid them from 5-Star Real Estate. Mistake number 1, not realizing that they must be pre-approved for a loan before they make an offer. When I submit a purchase offer for my buyer clients, I must include their lender's pre-approval letter. Otherwise, the seller has no proof that they can actually purchase the home. Avoid this mistake by getting pre-approved in advance. I can connect you with one of my trusted and respected lenders. Mistake number 2, not knowing how much their credit can affect their ability to buy a home. Before you buy a home, many of the blemishes on your credit history can be cleared up or even eliminated. Your mortgage professional can help you review and prepare your credit file in advance. Mistake number 3, believing they need a down payment of at least 20% of the price. That's not true. VA loans require 0% down, FHA loans at least 3.5% down, and conventional loans at least 3% or 5% down. That's all. Mistake number 4, not realizing in advance whom the real estate consultant represents. Many buyers think the agent they called from a yard sign is working for them. Unless the agent is working as your buyer representative, then the agent represents the seller. Be clear about who the agent represents. And mistake number 5, not discovering hidden defects before they buy a home. A professional pre-purchase home inspection costs a few $100. I always strongly advise my buyer clients to get one. Don't get stuck with a money pit. Thank you for watching. I'm Brad Dunovitz with 5-Star Real Estate. Contact me if you have questions.